Creating a project in Microsoft Project involves setting up your project structure, tasks, and schedules. Here's a step-by-step guide. Open Microsoft Project. Launch the application. Start Microsoft Project on your computer. Create a new project. Start a new file. Click on File, New. Choose Blank Project to start from scratch or select a template if it suits your needs. Set project information. Project details. Go to Project, Project Information. Set the project start date and, if needed, the end date. Define the project calendar under Change Working Time to reflect working and non-working days. Enter tasks. Task list. In the Gantt chart view, begin entering tasks in the task name column. Add each task's duration and start date in the corresponding columns. Define task dependencies. Link tasks. Create dependencies between tasks by selecting and using the Link Tasks button in the Task tab. Define the type of dependency. Assign resources. Resource allocation. Go to View, Resource Sheet to add resources. Assign these resources to tasks in the Resource Names column. Set up milestones. Add milestones. Insert milestones by creating tasks with 0 duration. These represent key project achievements. Save your project. Save file. Click File, Save As. Choose a location and save your project file.